Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. One of my Ukrainian students is currently staying in London with a host family who are putting her up because she's obviously unable to return home at the moment because Russians keep bombing her hometown. While she's been here in London, she's been working as an English teacher and she's also had the chance to explore the city a bit. And the other day in class, she mentioned the fact that she had discovered the National Gallery. And she was quite shocked to find out it was free to get into. And she was enthusing about the place, saying what a great place it was to go and have a look around. And I responded by saying, yeah, it's a wonderful place to while away the hours in. If you while away time, you spend time in a relaxed, pleasurable way, usually when you have nothing else to do. So you might while away a sunny Saturday afternoon just chilling in the park. You might while away a winter afternoon playing cards in front of the fire. And I'm hoping to while away the hours over Christmas, watching reruns of old black and white films like It's a Wonderful Life and doing very little else. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use while away the time doing things.